Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you make your resume private or public on Indeed. So let's get into the video. So log into indeed.com and log into your account. So once you're on your account logged in, so what you're going to do now here is click on the profile icon here. So on your top right, so click on it, and then from there hit on the profile option. So hit on profile. So once you're on your profile here, then you see a section called resume here. So click on resume. So once you have clicked on resume, so here this is now your resume. This is where your resume is. So what you're going to do now is you're going to set it as either public or private. So what I'm going to do here, like you'll see a three dots here. So next to the three dots, you'll see a button here. So click on that button. So at the moment it's private because my resume is in private. So that's why it's showing private. So you just have to click on this button here, and then here you'll have the option to either set it as a private or as a public. So if you want to set it as public, so hit on public and hit on save, or if you want to set it as private, hit on private and then hit save, and that will reflect here, and that's how you pretty much set your resume or private or public on Indeed. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.